Hi everyone, welcome to Quick Tips. I am Nancy. When you are reaching out to a very busy recruiter, make sure you don't write a 1,000-word message because they don't have time to read it. Few quick things to consider is keep your message short. Make sure you include all the relevant details. There is no need to do hello, hi, and then wait for them to respond to send the further email. Just send them 1 or 2 messages at most to shorten the initial conversation. So start your email by introducing yourself, what you're working as, what kind of job roles you are looking for, what are your qualifications, what kind of responsibilities you are able to manage. In the next few lines, mention the location you are looking to work for. Do mention whether you are open for remote, hybrid, or in-person job roles. What is your current salary? What is your expected salary? And what is your notice period? This might not land you in a job offer, but at least it would put you in the right kind of database. They may reach out to you for the next role they are recruiting for. I wish you all the best. Stay tuned to Careervues. Thanks for watching.